Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM637SK in color code 103. The color of this frame is Sparkly Ivory. The style of this frame is Fashion Butterfly. On the temples here we have a gold MCM emblem. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of this lenses are gold mirror. And this frame is Rexable. This frame also comes with a hard case. MCM logos all around it. Inside the MCM hard case, we have an MCM microfiber cleaning cloth with a logo on it.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.